Right, this next one is something that is a new. It's kind of the single. If there's a single that we're putting out, it's something called "How Long." It's based on a Charles Bradley tune, and the original studio version actually features a sample from Charles Bradley. I never, unfortunately, got to see, and then he passed away. And then, anyway, this is a song that's kind of based off of one of his. It's called "How Long." It features Matt and myself opening up on vocals, and these guys come in on the second verse. How long can this go on? I don't think I can hold that long. How long has this been going on? I don't think I'm all that strong.